Good morning, buddy. Wow, look at all the snow. Snow everywhere.
Ready for farm work?
Always ready. Breakfast time, cows. I'm helping. Eek!
That tickles.
They like you, Piglet.
The grass caught me.
Careful, buddy. Let's go, Piglet. The snowfield is waiting.
I'm going as fast as I can.
It's okay. They love cold weather. It's bigger than me. I can do it. Maybe.
Teamwork makes everything easy.
Don't let me fly away.
Stay close to me.
Whee! I didn't mean to do this.
Gotcha!
Did a giant chicken walk here?
Need help, friends? I'm so tall now. Come back. You're food, not a snowball.
This is tough.
Thank you, big fluffy friend.
Lean back. Hold tight.
We can finish this together. My nose is frozen.
Here, sit closer. Slow down.
You sleep all winter?
Best day ever. It sounds like magic.
Sleep well, little ones. Hope you enjoy your gifts, little Pipi.
What is shining over there?
Ooh, what could it be?
Yay, presents!
Wow!
Santa knew exactly what I love.
Let's pack snacks
Adventures need energy.
Adventure time!
Piglet, careful on the ice.
Ooh, I'm spinning.
This is fun. Go, go, go!
Pipi, skate faster.
Stay with me. Turn now.
Whoa, too much snow. Pipi, I'm stuck. Help. That was crazy, but fun.
I'm okay. Let's keep going.
Wow, the lake is huge. It's so shiny.
Always check the ice before fishing. You can do it, Pipi.
Be patient. Fish love calm water.
Whoa, something big.
Pipi,
Hold on tight. This doesn't feel like a normal fish.
be careful, Pipi.
It's pulling so hard. What is that? Pipi, that's not a fish.
It's pulling me in.
Pipi!
Hang on.
Bloop, bloop. Help.
Help, please! Come on!
Hold on. I gotcha.
I'm out! Pipi!
Come on. You're safe now.
Cough. I'm okay.
Really?
Don't scare me like that again. You two are lucky I was nearby.
So cold. We need a fire.
Don't worry. I'll bring more wood. Stay close, friends. We'll warm up soon.
Just a little more. Come on.
You can do it, Pipi.
Blow gently, just like this.
Ah, so warm. Thank you, friends.
This is the best. Warm and cozy. See? Teamwork always saves the day.
This tastes amazing. So yummy. I love campfire food. Best meal after a rescue mission.
What a beautiful snowy morning.
Someone needs help.
Pipi, it hurts. Please help.
I'm here. Hold on, I'll get you out. You're gonna be okay.
Hold on. I'm getting something to free you.
Hurry, it hurts.
I'm almost there. Stay still, big friend.
Please hurry.
Pipi, you saved me. Yay. You're safe now. Let's get you home. Thank you, Pipi. You saved my life.
We're friends. Friends always help each other.
Look.
The giant pineapple farm is right ahead.
Wow, I've never seen pineapples that big.
These pineapples are huge.
I've never seen anything this big, ever. Careful, Pipi. I'm holding the ladder.
Thank you. I can reach it now.
Wah! Snow everywhere. I'm in a snow sandwich.
Achoo! So much snow.
Haha! That was a snowy explosion.
I was upside down. Again.
Achoo! We're okay.
Right? Welcome home, everyone. Let's make something amazing.
So much snow. I love it.
Your farm is beautiful, Pipi. Great job, everyone. We need a big space for our huge cake. I can move lots of snow. Watch this. Perfect. This mold is big enough for our super giant cake.
I'll hold it steady, Pipi.
This is going to be the biggest cake ever. Push steady. We need all the pineapple juice for our giant cake.
It's heavy, but we can do it.
I'm pushing. Oink!
Here it comes, the golden pineapple puree.
Wow, it looks delicious already.
So shiny.
So yummy. Here comes the fluffy batter. Big cake needs big layers. It's so wide, like a giant pudding pool. Keep the fire warm. This giant cake needs giant heat.
This tiny fan is trying its best. Fanning. I won't stop.
It's huge! Bigger than me! Hold steady. I'm putting the first eye on. Wow, it looks like me already!
It's so cute. Do the other one next.
Here's more chocolate. Make the stripes big and bold. This cake is
But
huge.
I'll make it perfect.
We did it! The giant tiger cake is complete. It's the biggest cake in the whole world.
It looks just like me.
Everyone, look! Our giant tiger cake is perfect!
It's amazing. Thank you, friends.
This is the cutest cake ever. We did it! Our giant tiger cake is perfect. This is the happiest night ever. Let's celebrate all night. Thank you, everyone. What a wonderful night. We're together. That's what matters.
Snowball time. Catch me if you can.
Snow and cake. Best combo ever.
Let's bring some surprises today.
Hop, hop. I love surprises.
Ho, ho, ho!
Gifts for everyone.
Nay. Thank you, Pipi.
Sharing makes cold days warm.
Look, everyone is smiling. Sharing is caring.
Moo! This is the happiest snowy day.
Be careful, Pipi. It's very high.
Don't worry. I'm almost at the top.
This is the warmest night ever.
Because we share our joy together.
Hey, snow attack. Gotcha, Pipi. This is so fun. Let's keep playing.
Christmas feels happiest when we stay together like this. It's so warm, even with all the snow. Whoa! This egg is huge! Who could be inside? Huh, did you just make a tiny sound? I'm listening very closely. Nice and slow! This giant egg rides safely on the trailer. We are almost home. There you go, Big Egg. Nice and comfy. You will be safe and warm here. Whoa, it's cracking. Something is waking up inside. Come on, little giant friend. You can do it.
You are so big. The biggest baby I have ever seen.
Hello, giant friend.
Let's go exploring, giant friend. Step by step.
Grrr. Wash, wash, wash.
Hold still, giant friend.
Grrr. You're getting shiny and clean.
Dry, dry, dry. We don't want you to catch a cold, giant friend.
There you go. All warm and comfy now.
Wow, you grew so big. You're giant now.
Whoa! Everything looks so tiny from up here. This is amazing! Sharing snacks makes the party fun for everyone.
Yummy. Thank you, Pipi.
I love sharing with my little friends. Fruits make us strong. Who wants a crunchy apple?
Me. Fresh fruit is yummy.
Roar! I love apples too.
An apple a day keeps us strong and happy.
Ro, thank you, Pipi.
Yay! Sharing is the best.
Ready?
1, 2, pull! We can do this together.
Roar!
Roar! Teamwork makes us strong.
Big machine coming through. We are harvesting yummy corn today.
Chug, chug, chug! The machine is working hard! Whir, whir! Spin fast, little machine. Harvest the yummy golden corn. Pop, pop, pop! Look at the magic! Corn goes in, yummy puffs come out. Hard corn becomes soft clouds. Yummy!
Movie time, friends. Sit down and get comfy.
Movie is starting. Look at the screen. It's magic time. Movie is so fun. Can I share your popcorn?
Of course. Sharing is caring, my friend.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Let's dance. Moving keeps our bodies happy.
Hop, hop. Morning dance time.
Together we make the farm super happy. Hop, hop, hop. Spin faster. This is so much fun. Hop, hop, hop. So fun. Dancing with friends is the best.
Ready, set, jump. Hop like happy popcorn.
Hop, hop. We're trying our best. Hop, hop. Don't drop the sticks. You're doing great. Teamwork makes the job so easy. Wow, that apple looks so yummy.
Sharing makes every snack sweeter.
Sharing is caring. Whoa,
That carrot is huge.
I grew it all by myself.
Great job. Growing food takes love and patience.
Let us make our giant pumpkin shine super bright. Wow, it's glowing like magic.
More lights, more sparkle.
Whoa! Everything is snow!
Let's clear this snow.
Click and done.
Oh.
Tools ready.
Wow, this tree is so special.
Nice and safe.
Checking keeps everything safe.
La la la, Christmas tree, follow me.
Make space for new things to grow.
Down you go, perfect.
Shine bright, little star. Hello, Mr. Snowman. Decorations make celebrations special.
Come on, everyone. Let's celebrate together. Merry Christmas! This is for you. Thank you for the yummy milk.
Merry Christmas, buddy. Merry Chrissy.
Sharing gifts shows love.
Come join us. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Oh no! Don't worry, little buddy. I'll help you.
Come on, buddy. Pulling you out. Hang tight. Scrub, scrub. Clean and shiny, little buddy.
All dry now. Soft and comfy, just like a fluffy cloud. Here you go, buddy. Yummy corn for my brave little friend.
Slowly, little buddy. Fresh water helps you stay strong and happy.
Wow, look at you. New shirt, new smile. When we take care of our friends, everyone feels happy.
Cheers, buddy. Eating together makes everything happier.
It's working perfectly. Oh no!
Hello? Rescue team, please come quickly. There's an accident.